Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to configure best FPS settings for Windows 11 for gaming purpose. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to go to your start menu and type settings, or else you can right click on your start menu and click on settings. Once you have opened settings window, what you have to do, you just need to go to system from the left side. On your right side, you have to click on display, and from here you have to select graphics under related settings, and here you will get all your games over there. If it is not showing over there, then you have to click on browse and you have to select your game exe file. Okay, so suppose in my case it is Valorant, so I will select Valorant. So here it is showing, as you can see. So now after select, what you have to do, you just need to click on option, and here I need to select high performance, which is my GPU NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. I will click on save. After done, close this window. Now again you have to go to your settings window. Now from this time you have to go to gaming from your left side, and on your right side you have to click on game mode and make sure that it is enabled, is turned on over there. Okay, so now close this window. The last option you have to set, you just need to go to your start menu and type over there choose a power plan. Here it is, as you can see. Click over there, and here you have to select high performance. Okay, now close this window and restart your computer, and you will get better FPS on your Windows 11 PC or laptops.